Hi there. ChatGPT has recently updated its search element, and while those changes are not obvious, they are significant. You want to go back and look for activity that you have generated in the past. You're going to see at the top left that there is a link there that says Search Chat. You're going to click on that search chat and you're going to type in the information that you are looking for and then the word prompts. What you will then be able to do is to be able to go back in time to see which specific prompts you used in order to generate a specific conversation. You can then find that conversation in your search area. You will then be able to review the entire conversation. So you can use ChatGPT to go back in time and you can determine what prompts you use in order to get the results that you want. And any conversation that you have can be shared, or you can archive the conversation, or you can add it to a project. In some cases, you can even delete the conversation if it's something that you don't want to have available. There you have it, and I will see you in another video.